In today's video, we'll show you how to enable one-click trading on MetaTrader 5. This feature makes placing trades faster and more efficient, so let's dive right in. First, navigate to the top menu, click on Tools, and then select Options. A new window will appear. In this window, go to the Trade tab where you'll see the option for one-click trading. Simply check the box. Here you can read the terms and conditions for one-click trading. Once you've read them, accept by selecting the checkbox and clicking OK. That's it, one-click trading is now enabled. To place trades on MT5 using one click, go to the Trading tab in the Market Watch window. Navigate to the instrument you wish to trade and simply click on Sell or Buy. And that's it, the trade has been placed at just one click. Alternatively, you can open the chart window for the instrument you wish to trade. Once the chart is open, right-click anywhere on the chart and select one-click trading or use the shortcut Alt+T. You'll now see the Sell and Buy buttons at the top left corner of the chart. Adjust the lot size if needed, then click Sell or Buy and the trade has been placed. To close a trade, go to the Trade tab in the Toolbox window at the bottom of the platform. Here you'll see all your open trades. You can see a cross icon at the end of each trade, click on it to close the trade. Alternatively, you can right-click on the trade and select Close Position. And just like that, the trade is closed. Now, to disable one-click trading, go back to the Tools menu, select Options and navigate to the Trade tab. Uncheck the one-click trading option and click OK. The one-click trading is now disabled. Here is an important point. If one-click trading is not enabled, a confirmation window will pop up when you try to close the trade. Simply click the Close button in this window to close the trade. That's everything you need to know about one-click trading on MT5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.